Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. In this video, we explore the top 15 countries where Indians are most welcomed in 2024. Whether you are planning a vacation, looking to relocate, or seeking new career opportunities abroad, these destinations are known for their hospitality towards Indian travelers, students, and professionals. From countries with significant Indian communities to those with strong cultural and economic ties to India, each of these nations embraces Indian visitors with open arms. We'll dive into the unique qualities that make these countries Indian-friendly, including visa policies, cultural similarities, job opportunities, and more. 1. United Arab Emirates, UAE. Why welcomed? The UAE is home to a large Indian expatriate community. Indians play a vital role in the country's economy, especially in construction, trade, and services. Cultural harmony. There is strong cultural exchange, and the UAE is known for being an Indian-friendly destination. 2. United States. Why welcomed? With a robust Indian-American community, the US offers opportunities in education, technology, healthcare, and business. Cultural integration. Indians contribute significantly to American society, making it a multicultural hub for newcomers. 3. Canada. Why welcomed? Canada has one of the largest Indian diaspora populations. The country's inclusive immigration policies and strong economy make it an attractive destination. Cultural openness. Indian festivals like Diwali are celebrated widely, and the community enjoys strong representation in politics and business. 4. United Kingdom. Why welcomed? The UK has a deep historical connection with India, and Indians have lived in the country for generations. Cultural affinity. The Indian community is well established, with significant contributions in healthcare, business, and the arts. 5. Australia. Why welcomed? Australia is known for its high quality of life and welcoming environment. The growing Indian community is involved in various sectors, including education and healthcare. Educational opportunities. Australian universities attract many Indian students, and the country values its cultural diversity. 6. Singapore. Why welcomed? As a global business hub, Singapore hosts a large Indian population and offers abundant career opportunities. Cultural integration. Singapore's diverse society values Indian culture, cuisine, and festivals. 7. New Zealand. Why welcomed? Known for its beautiful landscapes and relaxed lifestyle, New Zealand attracts many Indian immigrants, particularly in fields like healthcare and technology. Community support. The Indian community is well represented, and there is a strong sense of inclusion. 8. Saudi Arabia. Why welcomed? Saudi Arabia hosts millions of Indian workers in various sectors, from oil and gas to construction. Economic role. Indians are a critical part of the country's workforce, and many are welcomed for their contribution to the economy. 9. Qatar. Why welcomed? Indians make up a large proportion of Qatar's population, working in a variety of industries. Economic contribution. The Qatari government values the Indian workforce, and cultural exchanges are common. 10. South Africa. Why welcomed? South Africa has a long-standing Indian community, especially in cities like Durban. Cultural integration. Indians are well integrated into South African society, with strong contributions to the economy, politics, and culture. 11. Malaysia. Why welcomed? With a significant Indian origin population, Malaysia offers a warm environment for Indian expats. Cultural affinity. Indian festivals are celebrated, and the country maintains strong ties with India. 12. Oman. Why welcomed? Oman has a sizable Indian community, especially in business and trade sectors. Workforce demand. The Indian workforce is crucial to Oman's economic development, and the country is known for its hospitality. 13. Bahrain. Why welcomed? Bahrain has a high percentage of Indian nationals, many of whom work in finance, healthcare, and construction. Cultural ties. The Indian community enjoys a significant presence, and there are many Indian businesses and cultural events. 14. Kuwait. Why welcomed? Indians are an essential part of Kuwait's workforce, particularly in the oil, construction, and service sectors. Economic importance. The Indian expatriate community contributes to Kuwait's economy, and they are well respected for their work ethic. 15. Germany. Why welcomed? Germany has become an increasingly popular destination for Indian professionals, especially in engineering, IT, and academia. Cultural openness. The country values skilled migration, and many Indian students are attracted to German universities. Conclusion. The countries listed above offer Indian nationals not only economic opportunities but also a welcoming cultural environment. Whether it's for work, education, or business, these countries have become top destinations where Indians are embraced and celebrated in 2024. Thanks for watching this channel.